Okay, good morning students. So these are the pointers to review in the subject Entrepreneurship 12, okay, for the first quarter. Okay, so these are some of the reminders in taking the examination. Okay, for the first one would be the examination composed of 70 items, which is equivalent to 70 points, meaning each item is 1 point. Okay. Next would be all items are purely multiple choice. Okay, so there are 4 choices. That's A, B, C, and D. Okay. The next would be the exam composed of 2 sets. So the set A and set B. Please be reminded that the questions are entirely different from the set A to set B. Okay. Next would be please watch the video presentation of the different topics for your exam. Okay. The video presentation that I've given you, the links that I've given you, okay, so that would be very helpful in your examination, because your examination is a combination of a application and theoretical. Okay, meaning there are some items that are purely application, wherein there are some examples given and you're going to identify what particular area is being asked. Okay. The next one would be read the instruction carefully. So in your examination, in the first part of your examination, the instruction is provided already. Therefore, you're going to read the instruction carefully in order for you to answer the examination correctly. Okay. And the last thing for our reminders would be pray before you take the examination. Okay. You condition yourself, and after that, pray before you take the examination. Okay? Okay, so let's proceed to our pointers to review. So number 1 would be the definition of the entrepreneurship. Okay? Next would be the benefits, the different benefits of the entrepreneurship, the different terms of the entrepreneurship, the Italian words, and the French term. Okay? The next would be the levels, or the different levels of entrepreneurial development. Then the 4 new terms of entrepreneurship field or expertise. So we are talking about the technopreneur, extrapreneur, so on and so forth. So there are 4. Okay. Next would be the common traits and the core traits of an entrepreneur. Okay. So going back, the careers in the entrepreneurship. So there are, I think, 19 to 20 careers enumerated in your module. Okay. The next one also would be the entrepreneurship versus the employment. So there are differences in terms of the entrepreneurship and employment. Okay, so please read that portion. Next would be the different entrepreneurial process and the 3 opportunity seeking, screening, and seizing. Okay, and also I included in your examination the micro market and the macro sources. Okay, so that is your STEP-led, okay, the new trends or the industry, so on and so forth. Okay. Next would be the STEP-led, okay, the socio-cultural, the technological, the political, legal, the demographic, the ethical, so on and so forth. Okay. Next would be the definition of the innovation, the different types of innovation, and the different key terms or the discussion on the product or service planning and development process. Okay. Another thing would be the difference between the unique selling proposition and value proposition, the market size or the size of the market, the primary and secondary market, which is primary meaning our main customer and secondary meaning our walk-in buyers. Okay. Next would be the different market segmentation. Okay. When we speak of market segmentation, it composed of demographic, psychographic, geographic, and behavioral segmentation. So under this different segmentation that I've mentioned, there are a lot of factors that affect. So it is also included in your examination. Okay. Those factors who are under this demographic segmentation, psychographic, geographic, and behavioral. Okay. Next would be the interview. Okay. The interview, the FGD or focus group discussion, the observation, the traditional and online survey. Okay. The next would be the 7 P's of marketing, namely the product, price, place, promotion, and the 3 additional P's, which is the packaging, people, and the process or the processes. Okay, the next one would be the 3-level concept of product. Okay, the augmented, so on and so forth. Okay, the pricing strategies such as the bundling, the market penetration, so on and so forth. Okay, the different promotional tools such as the public relations, sales promotion, okay, selling, so on and so forth. And of course, the last topic would be the brand management or the fundamentals of brand management. Okay, so that's all for our pointers to review and some reminders in taking the examination for the Entrepreneurship 12. I wish you good luck to your examination, and may God bless you all. May you all pass the examination for the first quarter of this semester. Thank you so much, and God bless.